you like books with lots of humor, then No Talking by Andrew Clements is for you.
Dave Packer is a fifth grader at Laketon Elementary. He and his arch nemesis, Lindsay Burgess, have to do a report on India together. One of my favorite parts is when they are in music and they have to come up with all these creative ways so they can get through without getting caught saying more than 3 words in a row.
Hi, one of my favorite parts about the book is when they go out to recess and they figure out that they can't talk, but they can make other noises. But will their challenge still stand when their principal starts to interfere? Check this book out at a library near you to find out.
Booktubes, where books come alive.